Hello guys, I welcome you all in my channel Literary Mind. So if you are in University of Delhi, then I think that you already have heard that University of Delhi is going to conduct examinations for the final year students. The statement read by the HRD Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal, even it said that universities to conduct final year exams, first year and second year students will be promoted based on their internal marks. So what this statement says that final year students will have to go through examination, rest of the students will be exempted from examination, but they will be given marks or promoted, they will be promoted on the basis of their internal marks, right? This is the statement. So now it is clearly can be said that first year and second year students should be free of tension that they will be going through an examination. I don't think that it is easy for the University of Delhi till now that they will be holding examinations for all the students, right? Well, University of Delhi has issued a tentative date sheet. You can see it here. So I want to make it clear that even if you have read it, so it is only for the 6th semester students, part 3rd, means final year students, right? Ex students and student will appear for 2nd and 4th semester. Why 2nd and 4th semester it has been written here? It is written here for improvement. Those students who are willing to give improvement or have their back papers, those who have failed in any paper in their second year, in their second semester or 4th semester, they will be able to give their examinations again, right? So that's the reason why it is also written here 2nd and 4th semester. Well, this date sheet is only for part 3rd, means final year students. So second year and first year students should be free of tension that they will be facing an examination. I don't think now it is officially clear. Even the HRD minister said na, that's why. So this is the date sheet. If you are from English honors or any other course, you can see that the days and the paper code you should check, and after that you should be very much clear that when your examinations will be held. Well, talking about the time of commencement, they have said that it is around 11:30 am to 2:30 pm. This is I think that it is around 3 hours, right? But you will not be given 3 hours for the examination. You will be given 2 hours. 1 hour will be for downloading the question paper and then uploading. Well, you will be having 3 hours completely. Now it is up to you that how you will manage it, but for the examination only you will be having 2 hours. 4 questions will be there, as already I have told in my previous video. You can go through here and click the link, or you can go through the pinned comment in the comment box, right? So, well, what I was saying that you will be given 4 questions, and that will be of 75 marks, 25 marks of your internal, that is your 10 marks assignment, 10 marks test, and 5 marks of your attendance, and rest of the 75 marks fate will be decided by the University of Delhi. Well, I don't know what kind of questions they will be framing, but right now they have said that it is a kind of open book test examination, you can say. So it is going to be a first kind of experience everyone will be facing. You can see here, note, in open book examinations mode as one time measure for academic session 2019-20 in view of COVID-19 pandemic. So definitely they have said that it is due to the pandemic that we are doing so. They have given this reason. Well, this is the end of the video. I don't think that anything necessary that I have not mentioned here in the in this video. I have already mentioned that it is around 3 hours that you will be given for the examinations. 4 questions will be there, 75 marks, and 1 hour for uploading and downloading the question paper and answer sheets and all. So please be ready for that, be prepared for that. Please check and ensure that there is a good kind of there is good availability of net in your area, so that the day you will be facing your examinations, you should not worry about the internet connection, right? So this is all I needed to tell you about this date sheet and the proposal that has been made by the University of Delhi for holding examinations. You can see here the dates and everything. Just check it and match it with the admit card that you have been given, right? So this is all. Okay, so thank you. We'll meet you and we'll make another video if there is any progression. Well, there is a case, I think that will be passed to the Supreme Court. If there will be any chance that these online examination will be cancelled, then I will be making a video for it also. But till now it is the end of video, and I think that you all are fine and doing well. So hoping for your good health in this pandemic. God bless you all. Thank you friends to give your time to me. Thank you.